Hey everyone, the Huawei MatePad 11.5 S2026 arrives as part of a broader product push that includes the Mate X7 foldable, FreeClip 2 earbuds, and the Watch Ultimate Design Royal Gold Edition, and it is clearly positioned as a productivity-focused tablet rather than a pure entertainment device. With global pricing now confirmed, Huawei is aiming this model at users who value note-taking, creative work, and multitasking on a large screen, while still keeping the overall package relatively slim and portable. At €479, the standard MatePad 11.5 S2026 comes with a generous configuration that includes 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and a detachable keyboard bundled in the box. The paper matte edition raises the price to €529 for the same memory configuration, offering a display treatment that targets users who work extensively with text, handwriting, or drawing, especially in bright environments. 11.5-inch LCD display is one of the tablet's defining features. With a resolution of 2,800 by 1,840 pixels, it delivers sharp text and detailed visuals, making it well-suited for reading, document editing, and creative tasks. The adaptive refresh rate, which ranges from 30 Hz to 144 Hz. Brightness reaches up to 500 nits, and Huawei's claim 1,500 to 1 contrast ratio helps maintain depth and clarity in both dark and bright scenes. Paper matte edition stands out in particular. Through nano-level etching, Huawei has managed to significantly reduce glare and surface sparkle, cutting light interference by up to 99% and reducing reflections by around half. In practice, this gives the screen a paper-like feel that is especially comfortable for long writing or drawing sessions. Physically, MatePad 11.5 S2026 is impressively thin and light for its size. Weighing around 515 grams and measuring just 6.1 millimeters thick, it is easy to carry and comfortable to hold for long periods. The full metal body adds rigidity and a premium feel, making it feel more expensive than its price might suggest. Running Harmony OS 4.3, the tablet places a strong emphasis on productivity and ecosystem integration. Huawei Notes comes pre-installed with a range of AI-powered features, including equation recognition, handwriting enhancement, and note replay, which can be particularly useful for students and professionals who rely on handwritten input. Camera performance is functional rather than ambitious. The 13 megapixels rear camera with autofocus is adequate for scanning documents or capturing quick reference photos, while the 8 megapixels front camera is suitable for video calls and online meetings. They are not designed to replace a smartphone camera, but they meet the needs of the tablet's intended audience. Battery life is supported by a sizable 8,800 mAh battery, which should comfortably last through a full day of mixed productivity tasks. Fast charging at up to 40 watt via cable helps minimize downtime, making it easier to top up between sessions. In terms of connectivity, the MatePad 11.5 S2026 is well equipped. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and stable wireless performance, while Bluetooth 5.2 and Nearlink support a wide range of accessories. The USB Type-C 3.0 port allows for faster data transfer and peripheral support, and the quad speaker system. Overall, the Huawei MatePad 11.5 S2026 is a thoughtfully designed tablet that prioritizes productivity, creativity, and user comfort. It may not be the most powerful or the most feature-rich tablet on the market, but its high-quality display options, solid build, generous memory configuration, and strong software tools make it a compelling choice for students, professionals, and creatives who want a focused, capable device rather than a general-purpose entertainment slate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and like. Have a nice day and God bless you.